How to add tickets from Ticketmaster to Apple Wallet. To do this, you can either use the Ticketmaster app or the website. Firstly, open any of your booking app. Now Ticketmaster sells, manages and distributes tickets for events like concert, sport games, theater shows, festivals and more. So you buy a ticket for events, then sell your tickets. You will get your tickets on your phone and you can manage your event booking. Go back to your home page and open up your browser. In your browser, go to the search bar and type in Ticketmaster. Now on the result page, you will see the Ticketmaster official website. Click on the official website. You can also do this on your app. Once you open the website, it will look something like this. Make sure that you sign in or log into your account. Then you will find a section called My Events on the bottom menu. There you will see the option Add to Apple Wallet or Add to Wallet. Select Add. Your pass is now stored in Apple Wallet. So that's all for today. Thank you.